Hi, Ma'am Richie. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, I'm Richie Miklat Mesa. I'm 46 years old. I'm from Aral, Pampanga.
Okay, what is your current marital status, ma'am?
Uh,
Are you married or
I'm
single?
married.
Oh,
I'm
you're
married.
married. Okay, do you have kids, ma'am?
I have a 6 kid.
Okay, can you indicate the age of your children and their gender, ma'am?
I have a 6 kid at 28 years old, 25, 19, 13, 11, and 7 years old youngest.
Okay, ma'am. How many boys and girls?
I have 2 boys and 4 girls.
Okay. How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 10 siblings. I have 4 boys and 6 girls.
Okay. Are you the eldest,
I'm
ma'am?
the eldest.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm the
Okay. Did you finish college, ma'am, or high school?
high school
High school. Okay. Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
because financial problem.
Okay, financial problem. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I'm working UAE
UAE. For how many years, ma'am?
more than 3 years.
Okay. As a domestic helper.
Yes, domestic helper.
Then what are your duties and responsibilities as a DH, ma'am?
I'm carrying a baby. I do cook and washing and ironing.
Okay. Did you finish your contract, ma'am?
Yes, I'm contract.
Okay. How would you describe yourself, ma'am? Are you trustworthy?
I'm hard worker.
Okay, hardworking. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, I'm CS.
Cesarean, ma'am.
Yeah.
How many years ago, ma'am?
6 years.
6 years ago. Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I have children go to school. That's why I need the money.
Mm-hmm. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
A little bit.
Okay. Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I talked to him.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I called I said go to the friend.
Okay, and you will react calmly, right? Mm-hmm. Your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, dear employer.
Mm-hmm.
I do my best. That's why I finished the contract.
Okay, you'll finish your contract. Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.